Guys, you want me to show? He's in his boxers. Baby!
Oh, I'm getting in bed, mate.
Hiya guys, so today is Saturday the 23rd of November and we are preparing to go to Lakeside. It's got like a huge shopping center. We're gonna do our Christmas shopping as well as we're gonna go to Ikea. They've got like the biggest Ikea in the UK, don't they, Mom?
Yeah.
So they have the biggest Ikea in the UK and I can't wait. We were supposed to leave at 8:30, but now it's 9:10, so we're late. So yeah, I best get off the camera now and yeah, see you in a bit. We're nearly there. Wakey wakey. Lakeside. Wow. You've got a huge Primark here. Oh my gosh! Excited to do some shopping?
I suppose.
I know you're excited to do some shopping. Flying tiger. What did you just tell me, Mom?
Don't lose camera this time, Kate.
It wasn't me, it was Troy. If you don't know what Mom was referring to, watch this video up here. You'll see. Babe, how cute! The little things for the Christmas tree. I mean, we don't have a Christmas tree yet. Oh, that's cute. How cute. We separating now? Alright then.
See you later.
What's the time? 1:32. So we're meeting up at 3:30. At where? Primark? Alright then. See you later, alligator. So we're separating, otherwise we're gonna see each other's presents. So there won't be any element of surprise. I'm going with Mom. And where to, Mom?
Wherever you want to go.
Should we go inside H&M first?
Yeah.
I think we've got to go upstairs.
Have we? Yeah.
Yeah. H&M, here I come. Yes.
Right.
See you in a bit. Is the cute Fluffy. It's quite cute too. Let's go to the sale section. £4. Is that selected items from £4? Let's see what we have here. Cute. How much is it? £10. Let's take a picture and let's send it to Troy. Ow. Oh, that one's $22.99. I like that. Troy, I like that. You guys, I like this bag so much. Only $12.99. What do you think of this? Come on, camera. Cute. Let's send this to Troy. Now on my way to Primark to see everyone. Are you there? Where is he? Oh, I see him. Boo! Hello. Why are you peeking? I'm finally with Troy.
Been using your phone too much.
What do you mean? I used it too much in the car. So Troy and I were walking around earlier and he said he was looking at this for me. But then like it's made for tall people. Troy picked on me. He said, only my feet's gonna show. So right now we are outside Primark. We're just waiting for Mom. Mom, hurry up. Dad's with us. And he is bummed because Wimpy's over there. Come on. Yeah, there you go, Wimpy. Is Wimpy a good place then?
No, I suppose.
That's what you said last time you were here.
No, we
Because
forgot, well, you should have just. Can you
I
remember
told
where
you.
it was?
No, I couldn't remember what it was. I knew there was a Wimpy here.
you should have told me. I would have said the Wimpy's near Primark.
You didn't know Wimpy was there.
I did. We're back in the car now. We're just on our way to the hotel. And oh, I'm knackered. But when we get to Ikea, I'll be active again.
Yeah.
We're here and it's cold.
Going for a night.
So this is what the hotel looks like from outside. It looks a little old-fashioned, but the photos of the room and that looked quite nice online. So we'll see. Let's have a look. Let's go in. Nice inside.
Creepy, isn't it?
Ooh, nice. Love it. It's quite old-fashioned, but I like it. Right, so we're just gonna go have our dinner at Brewers Fair. So yeah, we're gonna have our dinner in Brewers Fair, and then Ikea next. I'm starving. Brewers Fair. I don't know what I'm gonna have. Table for 4, please. We've sat. Our food is here. I best finish this up. We've got the same food except I've got sweet potato fries or kamote, and everyone else has got chips. Yummy. We're here.
Oh, entrance.
What for?
We're here. You made me jump. You need to calm down, boy. Here we go. Yeah.
Yeah, you got a bag. Trolley.
No, there's an elevator behind. Lift.
Stupid.
What do you mean it's stupid? Babe, there's a lift. What are you moaning about?
Lift. Yeah, stair lift.
Oh my god. Come out here and you'll see. Ah. Baby, let's go here. Enough comfy. B, have a seat. Right here. Office.
Be like your workstation, Kate.
What is it?
Control it by this.
Sonus.
Oh wow. A lamp and a sound thing. Is that an iPad?
I think you probably download the app for the Sonus because the Sonus speakers are a Wi-Fi speaker. So you can have these Sonus speakers. You can have in each room.
Like Sam, that.
That's thing like Granddad's.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that mirror.
That's the round one you were talking about.
Baby, let's get this one
You want it?
for the hallway. It's called Stockholm 80 centimeter walnut veneer. I quite like that clock, guys. Love it. Would you be open to getting black kettle?
Black. When you get black card, you get black microwave.
Outside you.
Yeah, outside your house.
Nice.
Be in the garden.
Yeah, it's nice. I like to get one done.
Yeah, that's what I'd like, something like that, and then a hot tub in the middle or something, and seating area around.
Well, we'll have this video for reference. I like the ambience of this room.
No, see, I think that's it.
Oh, I like that. This lamp. What do you think of this lamp? I like it. Hmm.
Yeah, I played on the
Did you? I'd like one, babe.
Where are you going to put it?
Living room.
Well, if we see how much, like I said, see how much space we've got left once we've got everything in.
Yeah. I'm not saying we're
There's
getting
enough
one
space
now.
in the corner.
Look, they have like a quirky designed cupboard.
Oh, it's bloody horrible.
It is cool.
It is? Yeah.
350 quid, I can make that.
No, you can't.
Oh, that's nice inside there. Look at that.
How lush.
It's bloody horrible corky. That
It's just a reflection of the light. Yes, that's what I was referring to. Look, babe. What do you think of them?
It's what I mean though, but I don't like the bright lights.
Getting your eyes.
No, yeah.
Yeah, I suppose.
You see what I mean though? Like, because there's no shade, it's bright, isn't it?
Yeah.
I know you say don't stare at it, but you do look at lights.
You've got to, yeah, just automatically, isn't it?
I love this worktop, you guys.
50 quid.
It's amazing.
See this cake? Never seen a white one before.
Oh wow. Do they actually sell this?
Yeah. The
450.
They're good.
I like that.
What is it?
silk one.
Yeah. No. Are they too big?
You like them?
I'll have a look online and we might be able to find small ones. This is for me. Oh my gosh, I love that mirror. This is the kind of mirror that I need.
Yeah, £90.
Yeah.
270 quid.
That's fine. Stop!
I'm going with the beat.
Going with the knob. Lovely jubbly. This is the kind of wardrobe I'm gonna have. Beautiful vanity mirror. Ain't it pretty? Love that. Oh, this is the kind of drawer I'm gonna have, Mom. We're done with IKEA, you guys. It was huge. Yeah, we had to hurry up because they're closing, so I had to stop vlogging. But yeah, we bought quite a few, but we have a few more that we need to buy, but we're buying them online because we can't fit them in the car. So yeah, but our best buy so far is this huge mirror here. I showed them to you, I showed it to you earlier, and now we are going back to the hotel and have a rest. So that's it for today, you guys. Did you enjoy, baby? Baby? Did you enjoy?
Yeah, it's good. Tiring.
Yeah, tiring. My groin hurts. I don't know why, but it hurts. Tomorrow we haven't got anything planned. We actually have to go home straight after having our breakfast because Mom and Dad has got the kids to look after. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed shopping around. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed the video, then please don't forget to give this a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye.